Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to math. Today we are talking about topic 3, lesson 10. Topic 3, lesson 10. It can be found on pages 84, 85, and 86. Okay, I'm going to share your book. You do have the answers online in the book. However, notice that it is listed as lesson 3, 8, topic 3, lesson 8. These are the answers in your book, okay? Our book says topic 3, lesson 10, but the questions and answers are accurate. You may use those. I'm going to share my journal. Now, first, let's read the question. Lucy is 13 years old. Her parents are treating Lucy and her friends to a movie. 6 of her friends are 12 years old. 2 other friends are 13 years old. How much will it cost for Lucy and her friends to see a movie? I want you to look at this again. Notice that Lucy is 13 years old, and it says right there, 2 other friends are 13 years old. So that means 3 people are 13 years old, and 6 people are 12 years old. Let's go to the journal. So let's take a look over here. Ready? Here's the Lucy document. Will it open? Good. Take a look at it like this. Sorry, I need to get our prices. $4.50. It's $4.50, or it is $7.25. There are 3 people who are 13, and there are 6 people who are 12. So we could multiply like this and get 2 answers, right? 6 times 0, let's see, 6 times, we have 30, 24, is it $27 for those people? Then we have 3 people, 15, 6, 7, it's $21.75. How much will it cost? Well, I would need to add these together, right? I would need to add them together. So let's go ahead and stack them. $21.75, and you're going to get $48.75, correct? Yes. There's nothing wrong with doing it like this. Notice you had step 1. Notice you had step 2. You also had step 3. Nothing wrong with doing that. I want you to look at it like this, and then you might see it like with the work we were doing in previous lessons. Take a look at it like this, and you might go, oh, I see that. Notice that you could go like this. 450 times 6. And you start to go, oh, I see that. Or 725 times 3. Look at it like that. Do you see 2 different ways to attack this problem? There's nothing wrong with this. Step 1, step 2, step 3. But what you're going to find is that when you're working with expressions, especially when we start working with algebraic expressions, it sure is nice to have everything in one place. You have everything in one place. And then just like you were doing before, you would pull this out of the way over here to the right. Does that make sense? Let us take a look at another one. I'm going to go back to your book. If I can find it. Let's find our book. There it is. It's over here. I want you to take a look at, why don't we look down at number, how about number 4 and 5? Let's do numbers 4 and 5. Ready? Take a look. So first, when you're given a problem like this, you look at the chart or the graphic first. School supplies for a pencil, notebook, and a pen. And you see how much they cost there. Ready? Number 4 says, Rose buys 3 pencils, 2 pens, and a notebook. How much money does she spend on school supplies? Since this is the answer book, you're seeing the answer right there. But let's go ahead and solve this. Pretend you do not know, okay? Rose buys 3 pencils, 2 pens, and a notebook. How much money does she spend on school supplies? Let's take a look at our journal. This is number 4. Let's start out with the algebraic expressions or the algebraic format, even though there's no variables here. Take a look at it like this. Rose buys 3 pencils. How much are pencils? Pencils are 24 cents. She buys 3 of them. She also buys 2 pens. How much are pens? $1.29 each. She also buys 1 notebook plus $3.73. Doesn't that look familiar with what we were doing in the previous lessons? Let's solve it this way. So then I would pull this to the side and I get this out of the way. Don't solve, you put your calculations underneath. So you have 24.24 times 3, correct? I'm taking it from right there. 3 times 4 is 12, 6, 7. Is it 72 cents? So then I can come over here and go, oh, that is 72 cents plus 2 times $1.29. $1.29 times 2. I have it over here. 2 times 9 is 18. 4, 5, 2. Is it $2.58? Look at that. Plus, I bring down the 373. Then don't I just need to add them all together to find out how much? Yes, I do. Let's do it. I'll put it right here, okay? So I have 373, I have 258, and I have 72 cents. This is all money, okay? So let's see how much it is. 13, that's 14, 15, 20. Let's see. Oh, look at that, 703. Did we find the same amount that they told us in the book? Let's take a look. If I can find it again. There it is. Oh, look at that, 703. Do you see how to do that? Okay, I want to take a look at it one more way. Take a look at it again. Let's go back and look at this same problem the other way. Okay, so we know it's 703. Did you see how you could put all these together and they match the lessons what we've been doing previously? All the information is in one place and you pull your calculations to the side. I want you to know there is nothing wrong with doing this. If you go, well, you'd say, well, pencils, step 1. Pencils. And you would say, they're 24 cents. I'm going to buy 3 of them. There's nothing wrong with doing that. Then you would take step 2. And you say, I'm going to buy the pens. They're $1.29, and I'm going to buy 2 of them. Nothing wrong with doing this. Step 3, add the notebook. Oops, that's supposed to say step 3, add the notebook. So what you would do is find the answer here, plus the answer here, plus the 373 would give you your total. Those are supposed to be pluses. Do you see 2 different ways to do these? I'd like you to try this way when you can, okay? I want to take a look at some other examples when you may not need to do that. So that's the end of this video. I need you to watch part 2 for topic 3, lesson 10. There will be another video following. Take a break and come back and check out our other video.